is about Section 37 of Indian Partnership Act, which says if full or part amount to the deceased partner is unpaid, then what will be the treatment? So basically, there are two cases. There is an agreement between the partners, what is to be done with the amount, or there is no agreement. In case there is an agreement with the partners that interest on the pending amount or share in the profits earned is to be paid, then it will be paid and in the agreed ratio. If the partners agree that interest or share in profit will not be paid, then it will not be paid. The provisions of Section 37 won't apply if it is explicitly agreed that it will not be paid. It will not be paid. However, in the absence of any agreement, that is, no agreement is being done between the partners, then it is the executor's choice. Executor's choice that he can opt for interest at the rate 6% per annum till the date of payment on the balance amount that is unpaid. Also, he has the option to get share in profit, share in the profits earned till the date of payment to the executor, but not in profit sharing ratio. Not in profit sharing ratio in proportion of his outstanding amount to the total capital. Be careful, his outstanding amount in proportion of the total capital. Total capital here means partners' capital, remaining partners' capital